With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, the given question is who discovered PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction? Wilmot or A. Jeffreys or Ethoven or Carey Mullis? Four options are given in this question and each option is provided with a name of a scientist. So we have to select the correct name which is related to this process PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Let's start the discussion. Basically, any organism's genome is stored inside the DNA molecules of a cell. But when we analyze this genome or genetic information, that process requires quite a large amount of DNA. Large amount required for this analysis. So in the year 1985, Carey Mullis invented a process known as polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, in which small amount of DNA can be copied in large quantities. Large amount. DNA can be amplified over a short period of time by applying heat. Heat is required for this amplification process. So by applying heat, DNA molecules, two strands or two helices separate. Two strands are separated and then DNA building blocks are added to each strand, and with the help of an enzyme, that is DNA polymerase enzyme, the new DNA chains are formed. New DNA chains are formed and the process can be repeated. That's why we call this process as the amplification of DNA molecules. Amplification of DNA molecules. And this process, that is the PCR process, was invented by a scientist, Carey Mullis. His full name was scientist Carey Banks Mullis. Carey Banks Mullis. And he was an American biochemist. And he was awarded the prestigious Nobel Prize also. Nobel Prize. The year was 1993 for this discovery. And this PCR reaction, after his discovery, this PCR has been a major important in both medical research and forensic science and biochemistry and molecular biology field. So the fourth option is the correct answer, that is Carey Mullis discovered PCR or polymerase chain reaction. The other names or other scientists are not related to this PCR process. That's why these options are incorrect. The correct answer is Carey Mullis. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.